Hello guys, have you been around Facebook posting pictures, posting comments, but you're not getting paid? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you a new site that will pay you to post and comment on other people's and also give you rewards which will accumulate over time and you'll get withdraw to your crypto wallet. So in this video we're going to talk about POW Profit. It's a site which has been here not for such a long time, but this site pays you for it's a forum site which pays you for the activities that you do on the site, and the activities depend from they range from posting. You can post articles or threads. They mostly call them threads of posts. Also, you can comment on other people's posts and will get points. These points will withdraw them uh, to your, you will redeem them to your own crypto wallet. So immediately, if you have come across this and are very interested in making some money, uh, just click the link in the description below. It will bring you to this page where you will get to register. While you click register, and for me, I'm already registered. You can see here you can register using Twitter, Google, GitHub, or any of these, and then once you register, it will be good, and then you'll confirm your email, and then you'll have your profile like this. So once you're in the profile like this, it is very easy to understand. It's a forum where you can discuss a lot of topics. Here you can also benefit from learning from all the people who are posting their posts here. They give reviews of different websites, making that whether they're legit or not legit. But let us take this time to go step by step in order to understand this platform very well. As you can see here, this is the latest activities. These are the activities that are being recorded. As you do an activity, it's being recorded here. And coming down here, this is the POW Profit Forum, where you can see where people can introduce themselves, general chats, and you can see the statistics here. Here you can also discuss about making money. Many people have made posts on making money online, which strategies are the best to follow, or even giving reviews on other platforms, whether they're paying or not getting paid. The marketplace here, you can also find some advices or some products being sold over here, and also you can also advertise your products over here. Here we come to the affiliate marketing forum. The affiliates, I know most of you are familiar with affiliate marketing. You can also post links here or discuss any topic related to affiliate over here. Traffic, how to monetize traffic for those who are doing blogging or content creation. You can come here and see on how you can invite traffic into your contents so that you can continue earning more. Here we are going. We can also discuss about business and individuals, where people will discuss more about businesses, what business to do, what are the regulation, the legal way to do a business, the tax, how to manage them, and everything. Down to the next part is artificial intelligence forum. You can discuss about any AIs, and also you can explore more AIs here where people have discovered and you have not even discovered. And you can also give reviews about AIs. There's also another place here called Crypto Forum, where people post about crypto, talking about crypto news, and you can see it's almost the largest. But I think the largest here is the Investing Forum, high risk investment, where you can discuss all about investing, where you can see that over 20,000 threads have been posted over there. You can also talk about the gambling community, but here, wherever you're interested, making an article about any of this, you can just post it there. And also the GPT forum, webmaster, how for those who are programmers or developers can come here and contribute. Like I am a developer, I come here to contribute. And also coming here to offshore forum company, how to start an offshore company, all the legal stuff, and the company forum, and all this you can just start discussing here and getting paid points. So since we're talking about getting paid points, first I'm going to show you on how we can earn points. But first, before that, I will show you on how to post. First, to post, you just come here and click this post, and then you choose the topic which you want to talk about. Let's say if you want to talk about web and programming, you just click web and programming here. Once you click, it will open something like this, where you're going to put a title, and then you, after place the title, you can put all the discussion over here. And also you can choose the prefix, whether it's a new or a question, or giving a review, whether it's legit or it's news or it's an idea. Or you can also leave it at no prefix. Also you can attach some files like a picture, or so that you can teach others. It's just a forum where people learn from each other. That's how you can post. If you want to earn some points commenting, you just come to a post. And once you're on a post, you read that post and see on how you can comment about it. And I'm going to give you the rules and the minimum word counts that you have to write in order for you to earn those points. So that's all about how you can make it. So let me show you on how you are getting rewarded. We just directly come to the rewards tab. Once click on the rewards, all those two activities which I've shown at this is how you are going to get rewarded. This is an article, the rewards tab. Here they are being told that ways to earn money. Basically here first you have to earn points. These points are called PPF. This PPF, it's something that we are going to discuss later in this video. So, but the points here, on registering your account, you'll get 100 points. Very simple. And the badges you'll be getting, there are a lot of badges actually, and you're getting 50 points each badge. When a person likes your content and likes it, clicks the likes button, you get paid 10 points. And the other person also loses some points. When you upload avatar, this is the profile or a resource where I'll show you later on how to upload resources. When it's your birthday, you are given some points. When you get when you like a post, when yourself you like a post, you pay 10 points. But when this person who you have liked will receive 5 points. Yeah, the daily activities, once you log in, you'll get 5 points. When you create, so this is where which I was showing on creating new content, you get 40 points, and commenting, which I've already shown you, it's 20 points. And the minimum word count for creating a thread is 1,000 characters. That is not too much. And the minimum for a post or a comment, it is 400 characters, which that's not too much. And the rest here are fully explained, which we're going to discuss later. Also, there's an when you invite a friend, you'll get 100 ppf, and these points you can easily trade them to rewards that you can withdraw. So once you accumulate these points, and the best thing about this platform is that once you have accumulated these points, the minimum accumulation of these points is only 2,000, and you can withdraw them. Let me show you. once you've accumulated, let's say 2000 points, you can just come here to the shop. Once you're at the shop, you look for the $2 offer, which is here, which you are going to convert your PPF into $2, and then it will get withdrawn to your wallet, or to your wallet which you have linked to this account. And I will also discuss more about the withdrawal and all about the finances on how to withdraw from here, and everything about these finances in another video, so stay in tune. So the minimum withdrawal is $2, which is very easy to accumulate 2000 PPF points. It is very easy. And this one, and also you can also accumulate around 20,000 PPF. And as I've shown you, that earning these points is very easy. Posting, commenting on other people, when yours are getting when your posts are getting liked, or when your content is getting likes, or even you can also earn the points through the badges which you get, or even the daily login. So that is the first part of this one. And this is the very best part of this website called Pause Profit. And the further thing that you need to know, that you learn here, you can see that some people have tested some sites and said that this one is legit, this is not legit. Another way to make some cash in this website is going to the content rewards tab, which is the available jobs. There are some jobs here which they are being offered, like sharing your referral link to a Facebook group, which here you will get the instructions, that is 100k plus members, or creating a YouTube video like I am creating right now, and you'll get paid $10 plus based on the audience. And also promoting this forum to a blog, which is very easy. You can just come here and write a quality blog and share it on either Blogger, Medium, or your own website. You can also promote this site on any social media and get paid $1. And it's very easy to earn from these sites. Actually, as I can see, this is the best site for those beginners who are joining to online making money. Because you can earn your first dollar just by sharing the link into social media. And furthermore, the minimum withdrawal from this site is only $2, and the maximum, as you can see, it's $50, which you can convert it to Bitcoin and then withdraw it to your wallet. So this site is very easy, and for those who are very interested or need any coaching on how to navigate through this website, you just click the link in the description below, where you'll get to register into this website. I'll also comment below on what kind of help you require when navigating through this website, and you will start earning some cash, even though it's not that much, but it's worth of doing this task rather than idling. And as I can say that this is not a money advice. Do your own research, come up with your own research, and it's not a quick get rich scheme. You do your research slow by slow, and whatever gets that suits you, just do it, and you'll get your rewards straight to your wallet. So thanks for watching. Kindly share this video for all people who wants to join online making money and start getting paid by just posting some content over here and getting paid.